Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. Here we have a 2006 Toyota Camry that have a broken or non-functional brake light, and we'll be replacing it in this video. And for tools on this one, the only thing you need actually is just the bulb and your hand. So let's get the trunk open and we'll take a look on the inside and see what all we need to do to get it done. Okay, now if we look inside the trunk, here's the light area. There's a cover over here. All you have to do is push out, in and out, and you will see the lights are exposed here. So see this brownish color plug. Basically, you twist counterclockwise and you pull, you'll have the light out. So you take the old one out, get your one in, the new one in, and make sure you don't touch the bulb itself, because the oils on your hand might stuck on the glass of the bulb, and basically that will cause it to shorten its life. So once we put it back in, we'll go in, make sure it fits in the grooves here, then clockwise spin, and that's all. So let's go outside and we'll test it out again and see if it actually fixed the issue. As you saw, that replacing the bulb fixed the issue we're having, and hopefully that's a beneficial video for you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.